Hey guys, today we're going to talk about contractions. Contractions are when you put two words together to make a new word, but you have to add an apostrophe, and usually, actually always, you will get rid of some of the letters in the second word that you're putting together. So, for example, if I have the words I am, so here we have some contraction monsters. We start with the two words I am. When we put them together, the word becomes I'm. What we have done is we've added an apostrophe between the two words and we've dropped the A in am to become I'm. Then we have that is. That is will become that's. We add the apostrophe between the two words, put them together to make one, and drop the I in is. That's. So I'm giving you some examples, and then I will tell you what to do on your worksheet for your assignment today, which is just taking the two words and taking the contraction and finding out what two words make that word. So we start with I will, and it becomes I'll. We put the apostrophe to combine the two words to make it one, and we drop the W and the I. And this is something you'll learn more about in first grade in more in depth to figure out exactly what letters to drop. But this is just an introduction lesson. So here we have they are, and it will become there. An apostrophe goes in between, and we drop the A in R. So this would be not their belonging. It doesn't mean that it's their shirt. It's they are going. They are going to the park today. Then we have they will. We push it together with the apostrophe, and we drop the W and I. Whenever you have will as your second word, you're always going to drop the W and the I. Next is it is. It becomes its. We push it together, we drop the I and add an apostrophe. Now this, again, it's. You may have seen it's without an apostrophe, and that is when it belongs to somebody. But when we want to say it is, we will put an apostrophe. Again, that's something that's a little bit more complicated. Are not becomes aren't. We push it together, put an apostrophe, drop the O. And whenever we drop a letter, the apostrophe replaces that letter or letters that we've dropped. And last we have cannot. We push it together, we drop one N and an O. So whenever there's not, if the first word does not have another N, you're not going to drop the N. But because this one does, we only need one N, and they're going to drop the N and the O. But as you saw in aren't, they got rid of the O in the word not for both of them and put an apostrophe. All right, so I hope that helps to explain your worksheet today for contractions. If you need any help, you may join me for my office hours. Bye, guys. Have a great day.